Hey guys, so quick video for you that I'm going to talk about Netcredit and if you should use it or no. Now, the one thing that I really don't like about it is that the payback is the hard part. Plenty of people that this is reported. I borrowed at 800 and told them what day to take monthly payments. They just bounce around. Paid one in the 20th, then one on the 2nd November, the 3rd of November, the 17th of November. They are messing up my account. Very unorganized. So got a line of credit for 4,000 back in September. I've paid them around 2 grand and my balance only decreased by 400 bucks. So this is also really important. I paid $750 and only dropped my account 70. Anyone how the collections work? So yeah. And that's like, you can also check the king of credit on TikTok. Maybe it's going to help you. But yeah, don't really use them. And they are listed as predatory loaners. So if you're thinking about using these, I wouldn't really recommend it. You're going to paying those people forever unless you just pay the whole thing off. They will give you the money though, and it's the fast when you need it. You need it, but it sucks. So you're gonna get the money, but everything else is going to be really bad as the experience. So I just want to make this quick video for you if you want it. Like, I don't know, you're looking for the money quick. I know what you can do, but just be aware of these things. And look at this, I just paid them off in full after realizing that every month your money goes to fees and small percentage towards principal. I work for them, the loans are predatory at best. Good luck, they just got sued for 15 million. So just be aware. The fees are ridiculous. If you only pay the minimum due every 2 weeks, you will be paying them for 2 years. So they just like pray for the people. And this is like important thing, so don't do it at all.